Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to review the CR Droid ROM, that is the Android 11 ROM, and this is a full review. Basically, I have installed that on my device and it's been around like 7 to 8 days. I have fully tested this and this is my whole review of this ROM. So the first impression that the got from this ROM is basically is the pixel experience with the customization. If I had to like summarize this, let me show you the version first of all. This is the Android 11 version and this is a CR Droid version. Now this update I have updated to like 5th December, and this is the latest one. Basically I have installed via the OTA update also. So yeah, OTA update is working fine. Now yeah, so overall I have been using this ROM. I have installed my WhatsApp, my socials, networking sites, my social all of the apps, and it is working really fine. This app is very smooth. Let me show you the customization options also, key where you can find the customizations here. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. The Google Assistant is also working properly. It has no problem whatsoever. And also the tiles section I have customized to like two rows. That is why like as you can see here, like the lot of customization things are there, right from the A, right from the to Z. All of the customization thing is there. Like there are many options, like more options than customizing your life basically. So yeah, apart from this there are lot many options. You can see here I'm like multiple swiping options are there, like double tap to lock. Now double tap to wake is not option when you are pressing that. Now it will work if I like do these things. Yeah, so the double tap to wake only works when you have not done the double tap to sleep. Yeah, so that I have found it. Now the thing is ki although the tiles are working properly, the tiles, the settings, the screen recording is also working properly. It has the option of the lower size. Basically in the pixel experience that was missing, so yeah, it is there. Now with the camera, this comes with the ANX camera. Yeah guys, you have heard it correct. This comes with the MIUI camera and it is working perfectly fine. I have taken the selfies, and yeah, it is not that depressing those the selfies as compared to the Google camera. Now for the Call of Duty, I was installing this, and the Call of Duty or the PUBG or like the Office application also I was not able to install somehow. Like it will like download the APK, but when downloading the OBB file, it will say ki it is not able to download. I'll show you the error in a minute. Let me download this the APK thing. Meanwhile, I'll show you the recording application also. Where is that? Yeah, so okay, so the payment application, the banking application, all are working perfectly fine. No problem whatsoever in those applications, and I haven't found any issues yet on the banking application, and also the smoothness or the like any issues. Like it was the by default, it came like that only, and it was working perfectly fine. Yes. So and guys, meanwhile please subscribe to my channel. This took a very lot of efforts here. So as you can see here, this Call of Duty is not able to install. You can see the error. This same error is going for the PUBG also, and this same going error was for Office file also. I don't know the reason. If I found it, I'll mention you guys. Now for the Google recording application, it is working perfectly fine. It doesn't come out of the box. You have to install it via Play Store, and it is working perfectly fine. Meanwhile, you can install the Google Camera application also. Yeah. Now for the yeah, this is a Google Photos, and you can like this has the unlimited backup because the device recognizes as the Pixel device. As you can see here, I think yeah. So let me increase my brightness. You can see properly. It is written over here. Key unlimited is free, free and unlimited. Now let me show you the Antutu score. I have done the score and it was around like 570, which is a very good score I'd say. Key because it falls. I have tested on the Android 12, and none of the Android 12 was doing the minimum, like crossing the 550 also. So yeah, it's a very good score, but I can't game. So let's see when I will be able to game. Now for the Spotify is working perfectly fine. You can see how the Spotify looks, the notification panel here, as expected from the AOSP based ROM Android 11. Now for the volume panel looks like that. It has a bar thing, not a line thing. Now this is also fine. Say now, yeah. So this is the how the notification will look like. Like there will be two differences here. Yeah. So apart from this, overall my feedback would be it is a very great application. It is a very great room. Basically, it has all the things that you need. That is the Pixel also the things. Now for the wallpapers, I have found ki it does not have any the Google wallpapers. You can only get the some of the Pixel like the CR wallpapers. Other than that, everything is by default. You can set the lock screen clock also. Let's say ki I have set that, so you can find ki this is like this. Yeah. So anyway, let me show you the display section also, where you can set the refresh rate. Meanwhile, I'll show you the app lock also. Yeah, so this device comes with the app lock, and it is a very great application. This is a much required thing basically from the AOSP based ROM, because I haven't found any application that was ROM that was giving me the app lock thing. So yeah, it's a very great. It works perfectly fine, no issues whatsoever. None of the one issues also. Now for the switching the application also, it's doing very good, great thing. As you can see here, yeah, the smoothness, the overall thing, the functionality is really great. They have done the practical approach. They have taken the practical approach. They have simply not that like porting that and then like shipping that. They have like listened to the users, and then they have done this. Now for the battery backup, I have think like this gives a really great battery backup. You can like get around like 7 to 8 hours of battery, and if you are not using phone that much, like for around like 5 hours on total, then you can get around 2 days of battery backup here. Yeah. So for the display resolution, display speed, I think it gives you 120 to 30 hertz panel, and all of the options are there as you can see here. Now this is a Bluetooth option. All of the like if you are switching that, this will give you the animated section over upper, and then you can set the anything that you want. Overall, yeah, as I told you, this is a very great room. If you want for a daily driver, I suggest you to not go for the Pixel, because the Pixel has many lacking capabilities, like the app lock is not there, the stock camera is not here, there the indicator data network indicator is not there even in the Pixel Experience Plus. So yeah, if you want you can switch to CR Droid Roam. It is a very great application. It's basically the CR Pixel experience with the some customization. So I really like this room, and I think I'll be keeping this room for a little more while until the Android 12 comes, like the CR Droid one. Yeah. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel. This is the last conclusion. So yeah, if you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you. Bye.